Victims of the recent wildfire aren't alone in their suffering. Those affected by the accidental fighter jet bombing in Pocheon on the 6th share similar devastation. In many areas, the damage is so severe that mere restoration isn't enough. They have to go through complete rebuilding.
The accidental bombing of Pocheon was like a bolt out of the blue. 38 civilians were injured and 190 buildings were destroyed. About 20 days after the accident, the residents still struggle to return to normalcy. Because of the explosion, the doors won't open properly.
이게 잘 안 열려서 이렇게 힘들게 열어야 돼.
The ceiling was wrapped in a plastic sheet after it caved in.
이게 축 늘어졌었는데 이렇게 하고선 지금 비닐을 지금 쳐놔서 지금 그렇지.
Another ruined house has yet to be restored. Cleaning up glass shards has become a daily routine.
이 쌀에 유리 들어가요. 이거 다 폐기 처분한 거예요. 애들이 위험해서 밭에 피려고 그랬던 마사를 퍼버렸어요.
Residents whose homes have been destroyed completely are still staying in a shelter, and no one knows when they will be able to return home.
앞으로의 어떻게 될 거라는 거는 전혀 들은 게 없고 저희도 답답하고 지금 잠도 못 자고.
Those who cannot work because of injuries are worried about how they'll make a living.
산재에서 이번 달에 받을 급여가 약 70%밖에 받을 수가 없습니다. 제가 사고가 안 났다라면 급여를 받을 수 있는데도 요 30%를 과연 국방부에서 배상이 되는 건지.
Complete restoration is expected to take a while. The residents of the bombed area will likely continue to experience inconveniences for the time being.